Okay, so it's currently raining and we're gonna go fish for broom.
Yeah. And bass.
I don't feel like getting and bass, but I don't feel like getting it wet, so I'm not gonna video for the first couple of minutes. Well, I might, but yeah.
No, we're just gonna do it when we get a fish.
Yeah, well, whatever. I don't really care, so see ya. Hey guys, we're broom fishing with crickets. I just caught a broom. I'm gonna do the same thing as I did last time, just set it down here. Just cast it out. Not too far. Just cast it out. Catch a fish. Set the camera up closer. Alright, I think we're good, yeah. This time we need to throw a little bit further because they're not like right up against the thing. Oh. Alright. Got him. Got him. So, bluegill.
There's a broom.
Broom, that's a big broom too. Nice size broom. He choked it. He choked it. He choked it. I don't know if I can get the hook out. He choked it.
Whoa!
He choked it. I can't get it out.
Alright, then have the whole rod and reel and everything.
Uh-oh, this isn't good. God dang it, I advanced all over again.
Huh?
Dang it.
No, what was it? God.
Guys, I won't be filming very much because I have low battery and a big brim or small bass. Somebody just took my hook. Oh, sorry, got one. Nice brim. Alright, so you got a good size brim.
This ain't good size. This is huge.
No, it's a good size.
Okay.
Wait, hold on. Let's see it again. There you go. It's a good brim. That's what we're looking for, but I'm gonna catch bass. I don't really care as long as I. Oh, he choked it.
Sorry.
So he's laying on.
I'm gonna call him Gilly.
Got him. Oh.
You got him.
Oh.
You do. He's snagging.
Oh, this is a okay size.
That ain't no catch.
Oh, this is a huge one. We doubled up. And he also choked it. He choked it. We doubled up. Sorry, come over here. Show him. He choked it. Oh, shoot, that hurts. Sorry, come down here and show him. Oh, sorry. Right here. We doubled up on huge.
I gotta unhook this beast of mass destruction.
Okay, he didn't like choke it. This. Oh gosh. He didn't like really choke it. He just. Oh crap! That hurt. He spiked me. Stupid.
This one's gonna die, guys.
Yeah, mine's bigger than yours.
Gosh. Come on, man.
We can't get him on hook. There's like broom and bass just hopping up all around this place. So see if I can catch one. Got one. Oh, it's a good size. That's a bass.
There you go, bass down. Here you go.
That's a solid, maybe a pound. Yeah, it's about a pound.
Yep, maybe two. About a pound and a half.
has got sharp teeth. Come on, thing.
Look, there it is.
There we go. There we go.
Yeah,
It's okay size.
I got your rod.
Alright. Good start. Well, that's not really a start, but it's still
Wait a minute.
about a pound.
What?
He just caught a huge bluegill. The thing is,
This is a world record, people.
it's not a world record, but
Come
it's
over here so it won't
huge.
get back in the water.
Woo! That is
Dude,
Wait.
here's my hand.
big.
Yeah, all right.
He's bigger than my hand.
That's like the normal size of bass I caught.